Alright, well, we're back working on our factory Ford project, and this guy has been really kicking our butts. My daughter's over here working her console there. Have you figured out how to see individual cell voltages yet?
No.
No. Looks like an iPhone, so she's all over it. Now here's the thing with these projects here, electric car projects or whatnot. This one right here, we're looking to try to find somebody that can help guide us, and we even have been authorized to pay somebody a consultation fee, but so far we haven't had any luck that way. So we're kind of poking around and trying to figure our way. This is just kind of a black box that you try to, with wires coming out, that you try to figure out what it does. And our problem is that we, right at the moment, is that we have the power light, the power limit light come on, and it only goes 40 miles an hour. So you're getting the one error that says battery voltage out of range. So we may have a loose wire going somewhere from the battery sensor to the BMS thing, whatever it is. And that's odd because we see that we have, isn't it showing? Yeah, it's showing we got a 20% and the empty full is down there at the bottom. That all would say to me that it's seeing a low voltage.
Speed sensor output 1B+ short.
Huh.
And configure fail, NVM configure fail.
Output sensor. All right. Well, let's just go for a little ride and see if that changes anything. So you cleared all the, and we still got the power limit light on, which I believe that's what's keeping us from moving. The other thing, when we charged him up the other day, we did have more on our full and empty, but that would be the batteries just sitting there full. And actually, we charged them up to the max that they would go. So my next thought is maybe we don't have enough batteries in here to get the voltage up where it would like to be.
Battery saver.
I
just found something. Battery saver off.
Alright, so we got the air conditioning on, pretty nice. I think windshield wipers are going to make more of a mess.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
There's that.
And we still got the limit light on and the wrench.
And the oil can now.
And the little oil can, which I checked the oil in the power steering, and that was all right.
We need to look at have we looked at the manual to see?
Well, that's a pretty good pickup there.
See more when we get out.
Huh?
See more when we get out.
Yeah, yeah.
On the stretch.
then remember we got all our battery boxes, battery BMS boxes hanging there. But
Nope.
yeah, so that's
They
all the
wanted
way to
to.
the floor. And that's the limit. But it might be, see, I'm thinking it might be limiting because we're right at the last 10% of the charge. My daughter putting her foot into it.
Well, wait, here we go. 30 miles an hour. 35. 40. It's
Well, you
not
better-
limiting anything.
Well, it only goes 40. That's the problem.
Oh, only goes 40. I
Yeah.
thought it cut off earlier
No.
than that.
No, 40 is the top
No, it
speed.
really wasn't. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, we wanted to look and see how these batteries are doing under load. So they're
Yep, 40's the limit.
yeah, and it just stays right there at 40.
So you just need to figure out how to take the power limit off.
That's what we're thinking. That the power limit is the problem. Which is funny, it's not terribly bad acceleration up to 40.
No, it's got great acceleration up to 40. It just doesn't go any faster than that. And it's not